In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Contra in Framer. First, open your Framer project and navigate to the popular domain canvas. This is where we'll place and configure the Contra component. Once you're in the editor, head to the top left of the interface and open the Insert panel. If the panel closes or you don't immediately see what you need, go ahead and click Insert again to keep it open. Do this until the sidebar stays visible so we can browse categories comfortably. Inside the Insert panel, switch to the Utility section. This category groups helpful building blocks and integrations, and it's where we'll find what we need. Follow the on-screen highlight to focus the right area of the panel so that relevant options surface. Before dropping Contra in, set up the positioning for the element you'll attach it to. In the right-hand properties, choose Absolute. Confirm that change, then briefly switch to Relative, and finally set it to Fixed. You'll see Fixed selected and confirmed across the available controls. This quick cycle ensures the element respects a fixed position on the page, which is useful for persistent widgets or overlays that should stay in view. Back in the Insert panel, follow the highlight prompts to narrow your selection and choose Contra. This adds the Contra component to your canvas. If you're prompted or you see a placement guide, click the highlighted spot to confirm where it should live in your layout. With Contra selected, open the Layout and Style panels in the right sidebar. These panels control how the component sits within your design. Use the highlighted controls to fine-tune layout, alignment, width, height, and spacing, so the component fits cleanly with your existing sections. Then switch to Style and follow the highlighted inputs to match your brand. Things like background, borders, and any visual tweaks provided by the component. Keep an eye on how these changes affect both desktop and mobile. If a control is highlighted for you, click it and apply the suggested value so everything lines up as expected. Once Contra looks and behaves the way you want, confirm the last highlighted option to finalize the setup. When you're satisfied with the placement and styling, it's time to make the changes live. Click Publish at the top of the editor. Framer will build and deploy your updated project so visitors can see the Contra component in action. That's it. You opened the project, used Insert to locate the right utility, configured positioning, added Contra, refined it in layout and style, and published your site. Thanks for